This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Menteri Badaikmi Yakatanat Kam Jungok Kai Perthai ke Jilla Ubak Pol Lyngdoh ula pentip ba katamasa cherry blossom hauni Snem kan long ha ka khatsau bat khatsan teri unaiwing arajar arpusan. Haba pentip yakani syakilat pathai kubor ha ka nok phai sngi ka aknyo teri ujeliu arajar arpusan ubak Pol ula ong ba on wan Pynshong shit yakani katamasa deki nongrwai ba paunam kum u Jason Derulo bat ka kan hontem the script. Talor kata ulo ong ru baya kani kata masa on penlong no ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium polo omshu hariboy na markida babun.
So on the forthcoming Cherry Blossom Festival 2025, scheduled for the 14th and 15th of November 2025, we've already announced main headliners. Jason Derulo, who is ranked among the top 10 male performers of all time, with the same list with Michael Jackson. The Script, which is top UK band, regarded as second only to Coldplay. During the festival, we will also be introducing for the first time synchronized LED wristbands.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F Mynta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngdoh ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.